All right, first grade. So for 13.3, what you will be doing today is you're going to be learning about halves and fourths. So I'm going to show you a little video on how to distinguish or differentiate what a half looks like and what a fourth looks like, all right? So here we go. Let's get started. So today, what's going to happen is that you're going to have to do, it's going to look something like this. When we talk about a half or halves, if we're talking about two different ones, all it means is that we take a whole and we're splitting it in half. So think about it. If I have a pizza and I want to share a pizza with my sister, I'm going to cut the pizza in half. So watch how I do it. I cut it in half. A half means that there's two equal sides, two parts to make one whole. Let's talk about a rectangle. If I want to make a half out of a rectangle, let's pretend like this is a chocolate bar. So if I want to share a chocolate bar with my sister, I'm going to cut the chocolate bar in half. Half means that there's two equal parts on both sides. Now, if I said I want to color my sister's half of the pizza red, I would only color one half of it. Oops, let's try that again. I would only color one half of it red, like that. Now, I want to color one half of my chocolate piece blue. If I say I only want to color one half of the chocolate blue, I would color half of it. See how we did that? Now, when we talk about quarter or fourths, that means that we're breaking it up into four pieces. So I want to share with four of my students. So in order to cut it into quarter or fourths, I would have four different pieces. Watch how I do it. That's half. I'm going to cut it again to get four equal pieces. See how I did that? Now, if I only want you to color one quarter of it, so I want my slice to be green. I want a quarter of it to be green. Let's take a look at how I can do that. I only want a quarter of it to be green. That would be one quarter of it being green. Now, I want to take a chocolate piece and I want to share with four of my friends. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut it into four different pieces. Let's take a look. This is one. Make another one. Two. There we go. Now I notice the pieces are not equal. They have to be equal. So I'm going to play around with it just a little bit right here. I'm going to try my best to make it as equal as possible so everyone gets the same amount of a chocolate piece. I think I've got it mostly equal. So now I want a fourth of it to be purple. If I want a fourth of it to be purple, that means I only want one part of it right here to be purple. So let's take a look. I'm going to color only a fourth of it purple. I'm going to grab purple and I'm going to color a fourth of it purple. So when we talk about fourths, it's divided into four equal parts. When we talk about a half, it's only divided into two equal parts. So for today's assignment, what you're going to be doing is, let's take a look. You're going to have a PowerPoint, and your PowerPoint is going to look like this, and watch how I play the game. So first, you're going to play the game, and it's going to look like this, half and quarter. Press next, and it will ask you, notice what just happened to the apple. The apple got split in half. The apple was cut in half. Now there are two equal parts. So you're going to go through the PowerPoint. Once you have completed the PowerPoint, you will go back into classwork and you will see in your classwork that you have 13.2 assignment. Now this assignment asks you a couple of questions. It says, drag down the correct answer. If it says one quarter blue, we're talking about only one part out of four equal parts that's colored in. So let's take a look. Is there only one out of four colored? Yes. How about this one? No, there are two parts colored. And this one has three parts colored in. So only one quarter blue would be this one because there's only one part of it colored in. So you're going to complete this assignment. When you are done, you can turn it in